Welcome back to the channel. In this video, guys, I want to share with you what's going on with the new restrictions, especially for driving instructors, and what's going on with the test centers. They still open or they gonna close? So for now, driving instructors, they're not allowed to teach until January 27. So we need to wait and see what's going on, what's gonna happen after. If you have your road test booked, you don't have to cancel. If your instructor is okay with that, they still allow us to take you to the test center, and you can use our car. But the thing is that when we're driving, usually we give 1 hour practice. We're not allowed to do that. So just make sure that if you ready for sure for the road test, just go for it. If not, it's better to postpone. Another thing that you can do is you can use your family member car. If your family member okay with that to give you the car for the road test, you can go for it. The main thing is that what you have to think about it is when you're using your family member car, it doesn't have the dual brakes, so you need to be very careful when you're driving somebody else's car, or practice before you're going for the road test, so you will be familiar with the car and you will feel comfortable during the test. So that's for now, that's what I want to share with you guys. There is so far they are working, they still taking the tests, the ministry is providing the tests, and the main thing that when you going for the road test, make sure you checking. Sometimes they sending emails and it's a confirmation that they cancel some location, they canceling the test, some location they cancel inside, some location they cancel for the road test. So before you going for the road test, make sure you checking. You can easily find on the website, they are showing there if the test center specifically that you're going, or it's closed, or because of the weather conditions. So don't just go before you are checking. And that's about it. So good luck. I hope that you pass your road test. Practice before the road test. Don't just go for it. So if you're new in my channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Also, I just launched the Patreon, and my members, the VIP members, have a different, like I usually upload on Patreon almost daily the videos. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, on January 10 there is gonna be a changes for the G road test, and my VIP members will know what's going on. So if you planning to go for the road test after G road test, for the highway test after January 10, look at that video. I'm gonna post it very soon there on my VIP channel. There is gonna be a changes. It's not bad changes. I think it's even better for if you're going for the road test. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon.